Welcome to Brain Vision.
This is essentially pretty simple expansion question with one trick in it, or one change you need to worry about. And that change is converting degrees Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius, because you cannot find a similar difference in degrees Fahrenheit as you would with degrees Celsius. It will not work in this equation. So let's convert it. Delta C, or degrees Celsius, sorry, is equal to degrees Fahrenheit minus 32 times 5/9. So let's do that for Ti and Tf. So we'll get Ti is equal to, I'm just going to write 15 minus 32 times 5/9. And we can rewrite Ti as negative 9.444 degrees Celsius. Now for Tf, we'll get Tf is equal to 90 minus 32 times 5/9. And we can again rewrite this as 32.222 degrees Celsius. Okay, now we can look in our expansion equation. LF is equal to Li times 1 plus alpha delta T. We want to find LF, so let's just plug in our numbers. Li is just 35 meters. 1 plus alpha for steel is 11 times 10 to the negative 6 inverse degrees Celsius. And then our delta T is 32.222 minus a negative, so plus 9.444 degrees Celsius. You should find that our final length is equal to about 35.016 meters.